Okay, so first of all, I want to apologize to my colleagues because we came up with this idea of making Mountain Dew cheesecake and cake, and I think it's going to be a little weird. It's the 60th anniversary of Mountain Dew, and it's a big deal here in East Tennessee, so we figured we'd try these.
I haven't had Mountain Dew in a very long time, so I'm a little nervous. It just smells like lemon cake. That's good. Yeah, this is good. It kind of just tastes like a lemon cake, maybe with a little bit of Mountain Dew flavor in it. It's really, really subtle.
I don't want to use this word, but it's nice and moist.
It's very moist cake. I know people don't like that word, but yeah, really good. I would never have guessed that there's Mountain Dew in this one.
Now this is interesting. This is something.
If I had to describe the texture in any way, I would say it's goopy. I don't know if that's a word, but I think it sums it up pretty well.
Make it a little messier. Just want the goo. All right. Tastes all right.
It's like marshmallow texture. Oh, I don't know about this. Yeah, not sure I would finish that one.